you to differentiate mass and weight. So question, is there a relationship between mass and inertia? But before we answer if there's a relationship, first we need to know what is mass. Do you know in your rapid class with your teacher Ma'am Rialin, she taught you how to measure weight and height, so for you to get your BMI. But here in science, it's a different meaning. There's a different meaning between mass and weight. In science, if you say mass, that means it is the amount of matter inside your body. Again, it's the amount of matter inside the body. And the mass is the same all over the earth. But if you go to other planets, it's different. Look at the picture. The girl is 56 kilogram. That's her mass. But the weight is 560 Newton in Earth. But the weight, when she goes to the moon, it's only 90 Newton. Why? Because of differences in gravity in Earth and in the moon. But if we say mass, wherever I stand, whatever scale I go into, the mass is the same. For example, me, Ma'am Rada, okay, my mass is, okay, say it's 60 kilograms. Okay, 60 kg. So you already know what your mass is, right? But Ma'am Rhoda, what is weight? Weight is mass multiply multiply the gravity here on Earth. Again, that's mass times gravity here on Earth. The gravity here on Earth is 9.8 meter per second squared, okay? Let's try some practice exercises about getting the mass and the weight for you to understand more. For example, again, say my mass is 65 kilogram. And how much would be my weight? So it's gonna be 65 kilogram multiplied to 9.8 meter per second squared. That's the gravity here on Earth. That's gonna be equal to, okay, let me calculate, 673 Newton. Please don't forget to always add Newton if you are looking for the weight. Okay? But if you are looking for mass, please always add kilogram. So please answer some of these exercises. I will give you 1 minute to answer each question. Okay. But wait. Oh, I remember. if you get mass, if you have to get mass, I will show you the formula, okay? If you need to pause the video to answer, it's okay. Let's answer number 1. For number 1, the given is mass, which is 50 kilogram. And you need to find the weight. So what should you do? So you should multiply 50 kilograms, the mass, times gravity, which is 9.8 meter per second squared, and that will give you an amount of 490 Newton. Correct. Number 2. The given is weight, which is 500 Newton. You only need to find the mass. So what should you do? Mass is equals to weight divided by gravity. So 500 Newton divided by 9.8 meter per second squared is equals to 51.02 kilogram. Okay? Or 51 kilogram. I'll accept that. Number 3 answer. Very good children. For number 3, the given is 980 Newton. What are you looking for? It's the mass. So to answer that, you need to divide weight by gravity. So that's 980 Newton divided by 9.8 meter per second squared. And the answer is, how do you calculate? It's 100 kilogram. So I told you, don't forget, if you're looking for mass, always add kilogram. If you're looking for weight, always add N or Newton. Last, number 4. The mass is 30 kilogram. So what you are looking for is the weight. The weight is, what should you do? Mass times gravity. So that's 30 kilogram times 9.8 meter per second squared. The answer would be 294 Newton. Very good. So look at this. If all your answers are correct for 1, 2, 3, 4, who's perfect? Raise your hand. Very good. So now you know about it. It's easy to understand our lesson for inertia. But I should tell you that we should focus more about mass than the weight. Let's ignore it first, okay? Focus first on the mass.